Hello guys, welcome, and in this tutorial we will know how to create such complex model in SketchUp using free plugin. So you don't need any kind of curve loft plugin to create such a structure of this trusses and a skin over here. Okay, so both model are created using a free plugin. Okay, so here first you have to draw a curve line like that. So here I have completed this. The first one this one, and second line this one, and third this one, and fourth this one. So we need four different curves. So I have drawn this using BJ toolbar. Okay, you can draw such kind of curve lines using BJ toolbar. Okay, so before that you have to install extrusion tool. So here I have installed already. You can download through the link in the description. And before starting, here you can see there are many tools inside this plugin. So this option we will use here, extrude edges by rail by face. Okay, so before that you have to draw a rectangle or any shape that you need. Okay, so here I have drawn a rectangle surface. So first you have to click on a face and then click over here, and then you have to select a line first. Pick a profile. So this is a profile line first, and then second this one, and parallel curve line, and then finally at this melding points. Okay, so when you will click here you can see the extra dialog box are showing profile and rails. So you have to select profile rails or profiles both. So when you will select here and when you will click OK, your profiles will be perfectly extruded on every edges of this curve line. Okay, now here you can see this is perfectly done, and it's very easy actually, and this is done by free plugins. Okay, so guys, if you like my content, please share, subscribe and like. Thanks for watching, have fun, see you next tutorial guys. Thank you.